Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order Costco pizza online and pick it up from the food court. So before you start, you just have to keep in mind that Costco doesn't currently offer a standard online checkout for the food court pizza through Costco.com or the Costco application. Instead, you need to simply check your local Costco warehouse page for the food court phone number. Then you need to call the food court and ask if your location accepts pizza orders by phone. If your warehouse accepts the phone orders, you need to tell them which pizza you want, how many you need, and when you plan to pick it up. Then the employee will let you know the available pickup time. You can also order your pizza when you arrive at the warehouse. You can use the food court ordering kiosk if your location has one. Select the pizza and choose your pizza and quantity and complete the payment. So after purchasing the order, just keep your receipt and order number and follow the pickup instructions at the food court. Wait for your pizza to be ready, then collect it from the counter. Just keep in mind that ordering options can vary by Costco location, so you can check with your local warehouse before relying on phone ordering. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.